The dashboard shows an availability calendar to help keep track of what your customers can currently book. However, availability and prices can only be managed within its own section. Hostels that use the interface with national reservation systems do not manage availability and prices on MyHostel. Such hostels will see a message to that effect above the calendar. For all other hostels, the calendar display can be customized by you. You can change the date shown by selecting a different start date, or you can use the markers at the top corners of the calendar to scroll forwards or backwards through dates. You can also customize the calendar to display allocations, prices, or both. Allocations and prices for each product are easily modified one product at a time and one day at a time. All changes are then saved or can be undone. Availability can also be blocked completely, one day at a time, by clicking on the horizontal shaded line below the date. You will be asked to confirm or cancel before this takes effect. There is a small choice available to you for editing the calendar cells. If Edit on Mouseover is checked, you only need to hover your mouse over each calendar. If Edit on Mouseover is unchecked, you must first click inside each cell before changing the value. For changing the values of larger date ranges, we recommend you use the Bulk Availability and Prices tool. Select the date range you want to change. For changing allocations, select the Allocations option, then select the product type you wish to change. Then enter the new value for allocations that you want to take effect for this whole date range and click Save. A similar process can be repeated for setting new prices for a date range for each product type. For those who prefer using the screens of the previous MyHostel version 1, these are still available by clicking on the appropriate submenu links. Allocations and prices can then be managed in the same way as before, if preferred. More help can be obtained from the HiHostels.com team at support@HiHostels.com.